So today we'll be unboxing a digital camera. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unboxed reviews, news and more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, like always. And let's jump into this unbox, buddy. Now, just in case you're wondering if I opened this, because this doesn't have any seal or anything, I didn't. That's how I got it in the Amazon box. Yeah, I'll open it now. Okay, let's go. And let's see what's inside. Tiny camera. It's quite tiny, you can fit it in your pocket. At least that's how it feels. Okay, let's take a look at what else do we have inside. Then we'll take a look at the camera. This is a bit hard to open for some reason. So we have two batteries. The charger. This is nice. So we have something to hold the camera from and something to hold the camera in and, you know, fit it in your pocket. And also the user's manual. Let's get rid of the box for a second. Let's put this on the side and let's check the camera. It doesn't look bad, but it says here 44 megapixels. Hopefully. It feels a bit plastic-like, no metal, and it feels a bit empty because it doesn't have the battery. So let's plug the battery in and see what it can do. Also, before we do that, put the battery in. So what most probably you can do with this one is give it to your kids to start vlogging or start doing some videos probably. Okay, the battery is in and now let's turn it on. The screen is good. It's not bad. I mean, for the money you pay for it, it looks good. What is this? I'm just pressing buttons. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's take a picture, right? The ugly sound. I don't like that sound. Now the memory is full, so you'll need an SD card. Let's see if I open this, is it gonna still work? Although I don't recommend you do this. Yeah, it's still working. Does this have like zoom? I don't think it goes out. You have some zoom. We are in the menu. Language, frequency. Let's go 60 Hertz. Format. Okay. How do you go back? Touch? No touch. You can't touch this. How do you go back then? Menu? Okay, no. What did I press? I'm not sure. We have the picture. I will upload this picture and show it to you as it looks. On this screen it looks okay-ish, but maybe it looks better on the actual screen. We'll see. Okay, so I have no idea how to get out. Okay, if you press this button, okay. Oh, so you go through modes on this button. Okay, let's go back to the menu. Setup. Default. I don't know what that does. Power save. Okay. Not now. So, okay, so you press this button, you go back. Sound, beep. No beep. Better no beep. Language. English is fine. What else? Setup, no. Camera. How about video? It says here full HD, but no SD card. I'll see if I can find one somewhere. Yeah, so overall it doesn't look bad, but I think it's more like for kids maybe. It's nice that it's really small. I don't know what else can I say about this. Bye bye. the screen, at least the screen is okay. And well, at least you got a spare battery for when the battery runs out, and you can put it in your pocket and then take some pictures. Yeah, I think this would be great for a kid that is looking to take pictures and, like, I don't know, start a video vlog or something. It's not for professionals, obviously. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to buy this digital camera, and see you on the next one.